How many times has this happened to you? When landing a boat plane, the most natural thing you want to do is to flare coming in, and oh, what a smooth landing it is. In the world of Seareys, they call these carrier landings, and they're not recommended because it causes bad things to happen almost every time. If you flare your water landing, the water rushes in right behind the rear step on the hull and creates huge downward forces on the tail wheel, resulting in bent struts and broken landing cables, which can create a dangerous runway landing situation. I've had both, but was fortunate that the tail wheel was locked in the down position when the strut bent, and had the landing cable jammed in the gear when it broke, both creating down locked positions and both times keeping me out of the NTSB statistics. This has been such a pain in the Searey community that Progressive Aerodyne finally created a super simple fix. It's called a splash guard, and you can buy it on their website, and it's worth it. It comes as one piece with a couple of bags of screws. Here are the tools you'll need to get this done: a drill, a 3/16 drill bit, a screw gun, a marker, and an ice pick. To install it, first you need to remove the bottom plate just behind the step on the bottom of the hull. This is done by removing the screws holding it on. Once it's off, lay it on top of the new splash guard so you can mark where the new screws go. The splash guard comes with no holes drilled. I found that it's best to use a couple of vice grips to line up the corners. Use a marker to mark where each hole needs to be drilled. Using a 3/16 drill bit, drill the marked areas on the splash guard. Line up the splash guard on the bottom of the plane. Use the ice pick to make sure that you're lined up in each hole. There are two sizes of screws supplied with the splash guard. Use the larger screws and secure the splash guard. Now secure the top of the splash guard by drilling 6 evenly spaced holes simultaneously through the top of the splash guard and through the existing support on the bottom of the plane. Make sure that the holes are drilled close enough to the top of the support that the supplied clips will expose the holes for the screws. Now place the clips over each of the 6 holes and secure using 6 supplied larger screws. That's it. The new splash guard will give you the ability to successfully flare into a water landing, giving you the smooth landings you all dream about. And it comes with another added benefit. According to Progressive Aerodyne, the plane will come on step about 4 seconds faster, getting you in the air faster. And that's a lot. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and safe flying.